This award means a lot to me and my brothers because we never imagined in our wildest dreams to be part of something like this. While living in Ciudad Juárez, Mexico, in 1974, my parents and their 10 kids immigrated to the U.S. with the hopes of giving themselves and their kids a better life. 10 years later, in June 19, 1984, almost 38 years ago to the date, through hard work and having invested all of their savings, my parents opened up a small grocery store with a small corn tortilla machine, which was my father's dream to run. They called it La Primera. I believe that the drive, faith, and work ethic my father instilled in us is what made this business successful. Blood, sweat, and tears. Isn't that the truth and what it takes when you come from the bottom? But everything is possible, and we are the perfect example of that. I also want to thank our financial institution, and in our humble opinion, the best one, FirstLight Federal Credit Union. They came into our path at the exact moment we needed someone to believe in us and in our vision. They have continued to help us achieve our dreams. I want to especially thank Mr. Carl Murphy, Rudy Ibarra, and Silvia Solis. Muchas gracias por toda su ayuda. All the grocery stores, restaurants, big and small, have a great impact in our success. And of course, our faithful customers that keep buying our brand. We thank you from the bottom of our hearts. We know we wouldn't be standing here without you. A mis hermanos aquí que están presentes, les agradezco todo su esfuerzo y el aguantarme todos estos años. A mi esposa y a mis hijos que siempre me han apoyado en todo este proceso, los amo. Y por último quiero dar las gracias a nuestros padres, los mejores del mundo en mi opinión. A mi madre querida en la casa que no pudo venir, y a mi padre, que estoy seguro que desde el cielo está sonriendo súper orgulloso de sus hijos por haber llevado su sueño, el de empezar con una máquina de tortillas para vender en el barrio, a ser premiados con ser el fabricante minoritario del año. Gracias, papá, y muchas gracias a todos.